Struggling with tight or stiff shoulders? Weary face flexed biceps push-ups aren't just for building chest and arm strength, they can also help improve shoulder mobility, flexibility, and stability. By incorporating specific push-up variations into your routine, you can enhance your range of motion, strengthen stabilizing muscles, and prevent shoulder injuries. Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or someone looking to loosen up tight shoulders, these push-up variations will help you move better, feel stronger, and reduce pain. Let's get started. Hammer and wrench 20 push-up variations to improve shoulder mobility. 1. Shoulder tap push-up raised back of hand. After each push-up, tap one shoulder with the opposite hand before lowering down again. This helps improve shoulder stability and coordination. 2. Hindu push-up OM. This fluid movement strengthens the shoulders and spine while improving flexibility. Start in a downward dog position, swoop down like a cobra, then push back up. 3. Archer push-up direct hit. Extend one arm fully while the other bends. This deep stretch increases range of motion and builds unilateral shoulder strength. 4. Dive bomber push-up airplane. Start in a downward dog position, dive forward into a low plank, then push up into an upward dog. This stretches and mobilizes the shoulders, chest, and back. 5. Scapular push-up counterclockwise arrows button. A small but powerful movement, keep arms straight and move your shoulders up and down without bending your elbows. Improves scapular mobility and control. 6. Pike push-up upwards button. A great move for increasing overhead mobility. Start in a downward dog position and lower your head toward the floor, targeting the shoulders and upper back. 7. Wall-assisted push-up building construction. Perform push-ups against a wall to focus on controlled movement, enhancing shoulder flexibility and strength without strain. 8. Wide grip push-up open hands. Keeping your hands wider than shoulder width stretches the chest and shoulders, improving mobility over time. 9. Incline push-up chart increasing. By placing your hands on an elevated surface, bench or wall, you can increase the range of motion in the shoulders without excessive strain. 10. Sphinx push-up lion face. Start in a forearm plank, then push up into a triceps extension. This move strengthens shoulder stabilizers while increasing mobility. 11. Shoulder extension push-up counterclockwise arrows button. At the bottom of a push-up, extend your arms forward, pause, then pull back in. This improves mobility and strengthens deep shoulder muscles. 12. Clapping push-up clapping hands. Explosive movements increase range of motion and flexibility in the shoulders while building power. 13. Spider-Man push-up spider. Bringing one knee toward your elbow as you push up challenges shoulder mobility and coordination. 14. Single arm push-up mechanical arm. This advanced movement increases unilateral strength and mobility, requiring extra shoulder stability. 15. Shoulder roll push-up counterclockwise arrows button. At the bottom of a push-up, roll your shoulders forward before pushing up. This encourages better shoulder mobility. 16. Dolphin push-up dolphin. A mix of a pike push-up and a forearm plank, this move helps increase shoulder flexibility. 17. Around the world push-up globe showing Europe Africa. Move in a circular motion at the bottom of a push-up to increase range of motion. 18. Reverse push-up counterclockwise arrows button. Instead of a standard push-up, start in a crab position and lower your hips while bending your elbows. This strengthens the rear delts and improves shoulder mobility. 19. Resistance band push-up person lifting weights. Using bands allows for controlled eccentric loading, helping improve shoulder flexibility and range. 20. Shoulder elevated push-up outbox tray. With your hands on a higher surface, you can increase the stretch and mobility in your shoulders while reducing strain. Fire why shoulder mobility matters. Tight shoulders limit movement, increase the risk of injury, and reduce performance in workouts and daily activities. By incorporating these push-up variations, you can increase flexibility, improve posture, and build stronger, more mobile shoulders. Flexed biceps. Try these variations today and unlock your full shoulder potential. Rocket fire.